What's going on, guys? Dallas here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install Minecraft mods on Windows 2019 coming up. Alright, so first thing you need to do is open up Chrome or any other browser you use. I recommend Chrome, it's easier for me. And you want to type in Forge, F-O-R-G-E. Type in Forge, click Minecraft Forge, make sure it's not a random website, make sure it's just like that. This can bring you here. You come through here and you look for the version you want. In our case, I want 1.7.10, and it brings you here. And when you're on Windows, you come over here to recommended. Do not do latest. I've had issues with latest. Just click this recommended Windows installer. Actually, let's do 1.8.9, and you click Windows installer. It'll bring you over here. Do not click anything on here. Just come up here to the top right where it says please wait and it's counting down, and click skip. And then when that comes up, it should download, and then you're allowed to go off and just delete the page you're on. It's still going to download. So after you get that installed, we're going to open it up and run it, and it's going to pop up in Minecraft after we get done running it. So it's done. Let the Chrome get done finalizing it. There we go. Click the arrow and click open. And then after we open it, we're going to wait until we get this. Install it on a client, press OK. Please, you have to wait for it to download and then press OK. So now you come over to Minecraft, and we'll make sure you run the version before you play Forge. In our case, I've already played it somewhere on here. You'll not find. Wrong one. I've already played it on one of our videos for Forge. So what you do is you click the radius least, and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're gonna see it right here. Click it. There's your Forge, and then click my configs and just type in whatever you want. Let's just say just a random number. You can change whatever block you want. And if you do not have a beefy computer and you want it to run, and if you want Minecraft to run better, link down below in the description or the card right up here somewhere, like right here. There's a link to a video on how to make your Minecraft run faster. So after you get done that, let's change up my configs after I get done with this. And we save it, and then when you come over here to the news and you open it up, you're going to see a file. If we scroll down, and it's going to be called whatever you called it. Here it is, 1.8.9 Forge, and you can see that's the stuff I choose. Then you just click it and run it. Right now we're not going to run it, we're going to wait. So what you want, whatever mod you want, search out what mod you want. So right now I want so let's type in what we want. So I want red redstone paste 20. I want redstone paste, but I need to put in the version 1.8.9. So I got redstone paste. It should be right here. I recommend you get off the Curse Forge website on this one. It's the most It's the most safest one that I've had it safe with. So you come over here to files. Well, we're already on files, so we're gonna go to files, and you're gonna look right here at game versions. You want the version that you have downloaded. So let's come here to all versions. Let's select the version we have, 1.8.9. And you can see over here we have one for 1.8.9. What you do is you click download file. It's going to download, press keep. Then you can press show in folder. Do not open it. Press show in forward folder. Come over here, press the Windows key and R. But if you don't have that, come down here in the search bar and just type in run. Click that and type in %app_data%. Press OK. It's gonna bring you to something that looks like this. Yeah, you're gonna want to click your .minecraft folder, and there's not gonna be a mods folder. What you're gonna have to do is scroll, press right click. Oh, you got right. Hang on. You gotta right click new folder. After you create a folder, you need to label it mods. Click it, and then the folder you have it under, you're just gonna drag it. Oops. You're just gonna want to drag it over, just like this. Drag it over. But in our case, I already have mods in here, including the redstone paste. So you're gonna close all these, and you should be ready to run. Just close down all your tabs you had open, And in theory, you should be ready to run. So let's run it. So as you can see here, it's starting it up. It's running all the mods you've downloaded. This is what the old Forge looks like. The newer Forge has another stuff. I forgot what it looks like. It has a lot more detail in the startup. So let's wait for this to get done running, and then we'll look at our mods. So if you ever are downloading a mod and it comes up with the dirt in the background and it says mod missing some folder, mod not compatible, or something like that, just write down the name that's going to be in the middle of the screen. Not going to be here, but it's going to be in the middle of the screen. Type that into the Google search, and you should get a answer and the mod. And you just put the add-on in the folder that we put the mod in. So let's launch a world and let's look at make sure the mod worked properly. Since it's already here, let's go to creative and let's launch it. Alright, so it looks like we're in the world with our mods. So let's make sure the mod works. So let's get our redstone. And it looks like our redstone is in. And this redstone mod is way different than any other redstone mod. It's going to be... Wait a second. There's a chicken in this tree. Well, that's old Minecraft for you. This redstone mod that I have downloaded is going to be in an upcoming mod video. So you can see the mod looks like it works. It's going to be up in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helped you guys, because I've been confused before on doing this. It's not that easy, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy. So I hope you guys like and subscribe. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you did. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Do you guys want to see more tutorials like this? Do you guys want me to show you guys how to do more of this? Or just keep on uploading the videos I upload? So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you did. Help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers. That keeps me motivated to keep on making more and more videos. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.